35 Crazy Facts About the Human Body. You can live without 75% of your brain. What would happen if you lost the rest? The human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. That's more than the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Your stomach lining replaces itself every 3 to 4 days. This is because the stomach is a very harsh environment. The human eye can distinguish between over 10 million different colors. This is because the eye has over 120 million photoreceptors. You can produce over 25,000 quarts of saliva in a lifetime. That's enough to fill 2 swimming pools. The human heart beats around 3 billion times in a lifetime. That's a lot of heartbeats. Your liver performs over 500 functions in the body. It's like a superhero of organs. But the next one is even stranger. The human skeleton is made up of over 200 bones. But by the time you're an adult, some of those bones have fused together. You have a unique tongue print, just like fingerprints. No two people have the same tongue print. Your skin is home to over 1,000 species of bacteria. They help keep you healthy. The human eye can process 36,000 bits of information every hour. That's a lot of data. Your brain uses 20% of your body's energy. That's a lot of power for such a small organ. The human nose can smell fear. It can detect the scent of adrenaline. You can't tickle yourself. The brain can predict the sensation and cancel it out. Your heart rate can be affected by the music you listen to. Fast music can make your heart beat faster. The human body has over 60,000 miles of blood vessels. That's long enough to circle the Earth twice. But the next one is even crazier. The human brain can store up to 100 terabytes of information. That's more than the total data stored on all the computers in the world in the 1990s. Your teeth are unique to you. No two people have the same teeth. The human body can produce over 40 different hormones. They help regulate everything from growth to metabolism. You have a second brain in your gut. It's called the enteric nervous system and it helps you digest food. The human eye can see ultraviolet light. But only if you're under 25 years old. Your sense of smell is closely linked to your sense of memory. That's why smells can evoke strong memories. The human body can survive for weeks without food. But only days without water. The human heart can pump over 2,000 gallons of blood per day. That's a lot of pumping. But the next one is even more amazing. The human brain can't feel pain. It doesn't have pain receptors. You can live without your appendix. It's a vestigial organ that doesn't do much. The human body has over 600 muscles. They help you move and maintain posture. Your bones are stronger than steel. But only when they're dense and healthy. The human eye can see in low light conditions. It's because the eye has a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum. Your sense of touch is closely linked to your sense of emotions. That's why hugs can be so comforting. The human body can produce its own penicillin. It's a natural antibiotic that helps fight off infections. But the next one is even more surprising. The human brain can create new neurons. It's a process called neuroplasticity. Your gut bacteria can affect your mood. They produce chemicals that influence your emotions. The human body can heal itself. It has a natural repair system that fixes damaged cells and tissues. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun facts about the human body.